Welcome to XIOHOO Quick Tips. Do you receive constant calls and SMS from unknown numbers? How often do you get calls from them? We will guide you step by step on how to avoid them. Take note, ScamShield app is available only on iPhone for now. ScamShield helps to block numbers that have been reported by others. Therefore, this app does not 100% block your phone from getting calls and messages. Tap on ScamShield app. By using ScamShield, you will less likely be contacted by scammers as the app helps to filter out scam messages and calls from numbers used for malicious purposes. You can read through the benefits of using ScamShield here. Tap Next twice. Exit the app. Tap to open settings. Tap on the search bar. Type in phone. Tap phone. Swipe up and tap call blocking and identification. Tap to switch on. This enables ScamShield app to detect and block incoming calls from your phone. This feature does not collect or access any of your personal information. Tap on the arrow at the top left twice to return to the search page. Tap X to erase the previous text and type in messages. Tap to messages. Swipe up all the way to the bottom. Tap unknown and spam. Tap on ScamShield. Tap Enable to activate the SMS filtering from ScamShield, which filters out unnecessary messages and categorize them into the list. This allows you to not receive any messages or notifications from suspicious contact numbers. Go back to ScamShield app. Tap Done once you have created and modified your settings. You can now explore new features and what you can do to let others be aware of such scams. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist to watch more videos. Follow us on facebook.com/XIOHOO and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.